Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Launcher Directional Indicator for MT4. This custom-built technical analysis tool displays a dynamic channel system with two upper trend lines and two lower trend lines where the outer lines are very thick plus a middle equilibrium line, while also writing text instructions above the charts telling traders what to do, like take only short trades based on channel strength calculations. In this video, you will see how the Launcher Directional Indicator works, what features it offers, and which trading strategies are described. The Launcher Directional Indicator MT4 is designed to help traders reduce uncertainty, streamline decision making, and increase the probability of profitable outcomes by providing clear insights into market trends and potential price movements through its channel system. Unlike standard indicators such as moving averages or the Relative Strength Index (RSI), which often serve specific roles, this indicator combines multiple layers of data, including channel boundaries and strength calculations, to deliver a more holistic view of market dynamics. The indicator displays a channel consisting of two upper trend lines and two lower trend lines, with the outer lines being very thick for emphasis, plus a middle equilibrium line that represents balance, providing visual structure for understanding price position relative to key levels. You can already see how it looks on the charts. The indicator displays a dynamic channel system where the thick outer trend lines mark extreme boundaries, the inner trend lines provide intermediate levels, and the middle equilibrium line shows the balance points. Above the charts, the indicator writes clear text instructions telling traders how powerful the channel is and what action to take, displaying messages like take only short trades like we have here when bearish conditions dominate, or take only long trades when bullish structure prevails. The combination of visual channel structure and written guidance eliminates ambiguity, providing traders with both the context of where price sits within the channel and explicit directional instructions based on the indicator strength calculations. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. At the inputs, we have the use, close, and the bars to count. We can also set our preferred colors and choose our preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the Launcher Directional Indicator is suitable for intraday traders and swing traders who rely on precise timing for entries and exits within structured channel boundaries, beginners who can benefit from straightforward written instructions without needing deep technical expertise, and experienced traders who use it as part of a larger strategy combined with other indicators and expert advisors. Its strengths include enhancing decision making by reducing guesswork through clear channel structure and written instructions, increasing confidence through explicit directional guidance that helps maintain discipline, saving time by presenting a clear picture of both price position and recommended action, supporting risk management by identifying channel boundaries for precise stop loss and take profit levels, and multi-timeframe compatibility, allowing alignment of short-term opportunities with long-term trends. However, the indicator should not be viewed as a magic solution and is best used in combination with broader market analysis. Fundamental events like interest rates announcements or geopolitical events can override technical signals. Frequent instruction updates may tempt traders into overtrading, leading to unnecessary losses. And even with strong signals, failing to apply stop loss and proper position sizing can be detrimental. You can download the Launcher Directional Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining a multi-line channel system with written text instructions help reduce uncertainty and provides explicit directional guidance for improved trading decisions. If you like channel-based tools with clear written instructions, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.